So we're going to look at how to read a ruler or a tape measure down to that 16ths of an inch, because when we're involved in hobbies or woodworking, crafts, all these things, often we have to do 16ths of an inch. We'll start off, here's our ruler, here's 1 inch, and you can divide it right in half, and that gives you 1/2 of an inch. So you have 2 parts. In this part right here, that's 1 out of the 2, that's our 1/2 inch. You can cut that in half right here, the second tallest line. That's 1/4 of an inch. So now we have 1, 2, 3, that's 3/4 of an inch, 4, so 4 parts, and each part is 1 part out of 4, 1/4 of an inch. Here's our 1/8 of an inch, and then finally our 16th of an inch. And for most rulers and tape measures, this is going to be the 16th of an inch. That'll be the smallest measure. And we should have 16 of these, 13, 14, 15, 16 across the bottom if you want to check. So now when we read to the 16th of an inch, let's say we have 7/16 of an inch. We want to find that on our ruler or tape measure. We're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7/16 of an inch right there. So now you try one. How about 11/16 of an inch? Can you find that? So we're going to count over 1, 9, 10, 11. There's our 11/16 of an inch. And that's pretty much all there is to it, with one minor exception. What if you had 8/16 of an inch? You'd count over 1, 2, 7, 8, and here we are, but that's 1/2. 8/16 of an inch and 1/2 of an inch, they're the same thing. If we simplify this, we get 1/2. So if you divide the numerator and the denominator by 2 until you can't divide anymore, you're going to end up with 1/2. So just something to be aware of. That's how you read to 16ths of an inch on a ruler or a tape measure. If this helped, drop a like, and thanks for watching.